Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is histology the study of? Is it A. Prehistoric environments by analyzing fossils and rock strata? B. Intonation and speech? C. Living tissues? Or D. Angels? The answer is C. Living tissues.
Histology, the study of living tissues, is like being a detective with a microscope. It reveals the intricate architecture of cells and tissues that make up organs. This field has even helped solve medical mysteries by uncovering cellular secrets, such as how cancer spreads or how neurons communicate in the brain.
Question 2. What are the two parts of complex numbers known as? Is it A. Logical and intuitive? B. True and false? C. Real and imaginary? Or D. Big and small? The answer is C. Real and imaginary.
Complex numbers, with their real and imaginary parts, are the backbone of many scientific fields. The imaginary unit I represents the square root of -1, a concept once thought impossible. This mathematical innovation allows engineers to design everything from electrical circuits to quantum computers, bridging reality with imagination in fascinating ways.
Question 3. Which famous scientist was taught math by Hermann Minkowski in the 1890s? Is it A. Isaac Newton? B. Stephen Hawking? C. Albert Einstein? Or D. Galileo Galilei? The answer is C. Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein, the iconic physicist known for his theory of relativity, was taught mathematics by Hermann Minkowski in the 1890s. Interestingly, Minkowski later expanded on Einstein's work by introducing the concept of spacetime, a four-dimensional framework that became a cornerstone in understanding the universe and revolutionized modern physics.
Question 4. What is the largest species of penguin? Is it A. Emperor? B. Adelie? C. Gentoo? Or D. King? The answer is A. Emperor.
The emperor penguin, the largest of its kind, can stand nearly 4 feet tall and weigh up to 100 pounds. These majestic birds brave the harsh Antarctic winters by huddling together in large groups, rotating positions to share warmth. Remarkably, they can dive over 1,800 feet deep in search of food.
Question 5. What is palynology the study of? Is it A. Pollen? B. Drugs? C. Musical instruments? Or D. Study of refuse and trash? The answer is A. Pollen.
Palynology, the study of pollen, offers a fascinating glimpse into ancient ecosystems. By examining fossilized pollen grains, scientists can reconstruct past climates and vegetation patterns. This field even aids in solving crimes. Forensic palynologists analyze pollen on clothing or objects to trace movements and link suspects to crime scenes.
Question 6. What is the technical term for the process of breaking down food? Is it A. Excretion? B. Absorption? C. Respiration? Or D. Digestion? The answer is D. Digestion.
Digestion is a fascinating journey where food transforms into energy. It begins in the mouth with enzymes and saliva breaking down carbohydrates, and continues through the stomach and intestines. Remarkably, your digestive tract is about 30 feet long, roughly the height of a 3-story building.
Question 7. What is omnology the study of? Is it A. Cancer? B. The interrelationship between an organism's physical functioning and its environment? C. Race? Or D. Everything? The answer is D. Everything.
Omnology, the whimsical study of everything, is a concept that playfully challenges the boundaries of traditional academic disciplines. It invites curious minds to explore the interconnectedness of all knowledge, from quantum physics to ancient philosophy. While not formally recognized in academia, it embodies humanity's insatiable quest for understanding the universe's mysteries.
Question 8. Which of these shapes has 4 sides of equal length? Is it A. Rhombus? B. Pentagram? C. Triangle? Or D. Trapezoid? The answer is A. Rhombus.
A rhombus is like a square that decided to lean back and relax. All 4 sides are equal, but its angles can vary, giving it a unique slanted appearance. In ancient Greece, the rhombus was considered a symbol of harmony and balance due to its symmetrical properties.
Question 9. What is the word for a group of grouse? Is it A. a pack? B. a stud? C. a brood? Or D. a paddling? The answer is C. a brood.
A group of grouse is called a brood, a term that evokes images of these birds huddling together in the wild. Grouse are known for their elaborate courtship displays, where males perform dramatic dances and make unique sounds to attract females, adding flair to their woodland gatherings.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope your neurons are buzzing and your curiosity is blooming. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of nature. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Good night for now, until we cross paths again tomorrow.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.